Evening, everyone. So, welcome again to another PHMLS Tuesdays Brokers Briefing. So, as promised, what we discussed last Tuesday, tonight, pag-usapan natin yung how independent brokers o yung kahit yung mga may realty office na to scale up, no? To minimize yung operational expenses and to build more bigger network. Kasi sabi nga nila, di ba, with the crisis now, stagflation, stagnant yung growth ng ekonomiya natin, stagnant yung increase ng sahod, stagnant yung mga GDP, daming mga stagnant, no? Yung capital growth ng mga negosyo. Pero ang laki ng inflation, nasa 6 to 7% tayo. So tayo naman mga negosyante, mga real estate broker, salespeople, we're also in the real estate business. So as much possible, pag-usapan natin how we can contribute. Paano ba? How to lower our operational expenses. Tsaka, how to increase our sales. Again, lower our expenses, increase our revenue. So, tonight, we're gonna focus more on, as a broker, if you're going to run your real estate business, either individual ka or may mga few agents ka, how are you going to operate your real estate business? As low yung operational expenses mo, pero as high, mas malaki pa ang kita mo kahit na nagtayo ka pa ng actual office. 'Di ba interesting, no? So yan ang focus ng topic natin ngayon. So, bago yan, let's discuss muna ano ba yung mga common problem in running our business, no, as a broker. Alam ko may mga participants tayo ngayon na mga salesperson, pero we're sharing this to you para naman maintindihan nyo yung status, yung mga common problem ng mga broker or realty firm para you can share their pain also na it's not easy to run a realty office. But I'm not discouraging kasi lahat ng problema may solution. Katulad nga ngayon, ang problema ng stagflation is also an advantage in real estate. In what aspect? It correct the prices. So it become buyer's market. Pag sinabing buyer's market, iilan na lang ang buyer, mas marami ang seller. So mas nandoon yung adjustment sa presyo, mas marami tayong mga local buyer ngayon because it's the right time to buy. You can, kumbaga, bargain hunting ngayon, no? Pagdating sa commercial, residential, and others. Maliban na lang siguro sa industrial and logistic, parang palagi pa ring malakas, no? It's opposite, seller's market. Okay, so let's discuss common problem. So, problem number 1 ng mga broker is limited ang listing, no? Kahit ako, I'm Cebu-based broker. Pag may nagtanong sa akin Palawan, it's not easy. It's not right away I can answer, yes, I have Palawan listing. Yes, I have Bulacan listing. Not right then and then. So that's problem number 1 ng mga broker. But again, we are licensed, accredited PRC to practice nationwide. But due to our location as an archipelago, it give us limit, no, to network listing nationwide. But yan po may mga solution. Okay, let's focus next. High overhead. So to run our realty, minsan inggit tayo sa iba kasi na wow, ang ganda ng office, nasa kumbaga business district, nasa Ayala, nasa etc. So ganun kaagad tayo. Akala kasi natin positioning, branding, diretso-diretso. Kahit startup broker pa tayo, no? Yan is problem number 1. Kasi nowadays, just to start an office, a small office will cost you already 50 to 80,000 pesos. And that is your fixed expenses. Wala ka pang kita, may fixed expense ka na. That's 50 to 80,000 times 12. That's 600 to almost 900,000 pesos, no? Limited network. as a broker, lalo na pag yung personality mo mahiyain ka, when you're not joining any local organization, nako, talagang limited yung network mo. Kasi network with other broker helps you on, sana with the MLS. Face to face. Lalo na, no? Pero pag mahiyain ka or masyadong that's another problem. Next, walang sistema. Kasi hindi naman tinuturo yan lahat yung experience sa school. More on theory and laws, legals, and permits and everything. Pero in the actual practice, you need to have system. Sabi nga ng pinag-usapan namin this morning, your success can be your failure. Your success can be your failure. So, maramihan sa negosyante successful ka sa self-employed, maliit na negosyo kasi kaya mo pang i-manage. Parang foundation mo, kaya mong i-manage yung 2-story, 3-story. Pero habang lumaki ng lumaki yung negosyo mo, it collapse your control. Again, it collapse your control. So, siyang dahilan na malugi ka. So, system. Pag-usapan natin yan later. Transition. So, pag-usapan natin yung pagiging broker na utak pa rin empleyado. Pagiging broker na you're the owner, you're the president, yun pala, you're still a self-employed. No work, no pay. Pag umalis ka sa Canada for 30 days, walang kita. So, pag-usapan natin yung transition from EAS to become BI. Magiging business owner. And na may sistema na kahit umalis ka, kumikita yung real estate business mo. Sorry ha. So in the new real estate model nowadays, today successful brokers focus on networking, leverage. So we network a lot. Kaya nga we always advise yung mga broker to join any local organization or always network with fellow brokers for exchange listing. And then always network with the chamber, with the NGO for clientele. So, instead of I must own all listing, sarili ko lang, kasi siguro pag focus listing mo lang, it can have only few, maybe 5 to 50, no? But if you know how to network a lot, think of how do I access more opportunities through collaboration. So instead of a solo broker, how you can do collaboration, no? Collab with other brokers. Digital leverage. Nowadays, pag ayaw mo pa rin mag-change, you become like Kodak. Meaning, you fail to adapt the change in the games, in the business arena. People check online. Bago we do something, we always check online. Like, we always check with AI, we always check with Google, we always check online kung meron tayong bibilhin, baka may mas mura pa sa iba, no? Sa Lazada, sa Lora, Timo, etc. Even, so, we're become more dependent on the digital, but hindi natin maiwasan. That's how life now, no? So, again, if you don't have, or if you feel to leverage on the digital, maiiwan ka. Kasi ang negosyo ngayon, it's all digital na. Okay, let's go next to co-brokerage leverage. So, instead being a solo broker, you need to focus now into how to co-broker with other fellow brokers. So, co-broker, you can collaborate with buyers, with listing, for matching, and more closing. So, that's our focus now. And we will discuss more on this. Multiple income stream. Instead na you're a solo broker, you're focusing only on project selling, or you're solo broker focusing only on brokerage, or rental leasing, you cannot do it alone, no? Kaya yung listing mo limited. But you can shift the focus into what if you're given a chance to have more income stream. Like, pwede kang kumita ng brokerage, project selling, rental leasing, property management, and many, many more. So, because with the system na i-share natin mamaya, it will really 10x your business. Again, it will help you times 10, kumbaga 10 times scale up your business or more pag naintindihan nyo lang mamaya ang blueprint. So market opportunities. So you cannot have everything. You cannot have everything magpa-PKS o magpa-accredit ng mga developer in Cebu sa dami ng Cebu. Lalo na if you want more in Bacolod, in outside Visayas, in outside Mindanao, outside Luzon. But with the help of the MLS, lalo na with our digital platform, you don't need to be accredited, but you can always collaborate with other brokers who are accredited with that in real time. So how we do that one, we share it later on. So in general brokerage, no, do not depend on only one source of commission. You can diversify your brokerage income through collaboration with other broker. So this is how our MLS platform helps brokers scale up. Let us say Mr. Broker J or Sir John Ro nandito, I saw earlier, no? Welcome everyone, no? Sir John Ro. So with your PHMLS account, so the moment you subscribe, you buy your domain name, your brand name. So you buy your XYG Realty or Green Habitat Realty or whatever you want, no? Or your name, johnro.com. So you buy it from GoDaddy and your license. So with our system, what we do here is we design the system as a SaaS to help broker connect fellow broker nationwide in real time. You can collaborate 24/7. Kahit tulog ka, other broker gising are marketing their website kasama listing ni John Ro. Kahit nagbakasyon si broker Dennis, gising si John Ro, nasa Cebu, nagmamarket industrial lot kasama yung mga industrial lot ni Dennis sa Cagayan, sa Iligan, etc. So kahit hindi marunong mag-internet marketing si John Ro tsaka si Dennis, nandyan si Edna, broker Edna, na super galing kasi IT, nag-promote sa website niya aggressively through SEO, SEM, nag-promote through paid ads. Kasama sa na-promote ng website niya ang listing ni John Ro, listing ni Dennis, listing natin lahat na mga co-subscriber ng PHMLS. So the beauty of the PHMLS platform, let us say we have 150 plus more or less subscriber now. Kahit 10 lang dyan, aggressively promoting online, they are applying their skills, their effort, and expending money, let's say 10,000 a month just to promote online. Don't worry the remaining 90% because kasama listing natin nandoon sa website nila sa 10% na yon, kasama listing natin and vice versa. Then doon naman sa mga bagong broker, kakapasa pa lang, halimbawa broker Charlie, ngayon ka lang nag-apply this week, the moment na upload live na ang website mo, kahit zero listing ka pa, kahit wala ka pang personal na listing, automatically downloaded lahat ang existing listing ng mga subscriber natin papasok sa website ni Broker Charlie. Kasama na doon yung general brokerage, rental leasing, ropa ng mga bangko or foreclosed asset, what we mean, tsaka project selling not only in Visayas but Mindanao and Luzon. So this is the beauty of our SaaS platform, no? We'll discuss more on that. So what's the core benefits? Don't worry, I'm gonna do a demo after this one, no? Benefits number 1, broker networking nationwide. So, Broker Charlie is based in Cebu. Broker Jonro is based in Cebu. But in real time, he is now collaborating with fellow licensed broker nationwide for a project selling listing, for a brokerage listing, commercial, industrial, Roland, or with a buyer's co-broker, buyer sharing, or leasing. Okay? So, instead what we do in a face-to-face MLS na masyadong mabagal kasi we need to meet up and coffee, here, we automated everything. Again, instead tatawag pa si Jonro, Charlie, ano yung mga industrial lot mo sa Bulacan? The moment Jonro subscribe, Sir Jonro, you just simply go visit to your website, type keyword warehouse. If you want Bulacan, be specific Bulacan. Boom! Pag may mga fellow subscriber na nag-upload ng warehouse, as long may keyword warehouse in Bulacan, then lalabas doon, real time. So meaning, you can real time, within a minutes, go back to your buyer, Mr. Buyer, I'm sending you already my listing in Bulacan warehouses and somewhere nearby. So please let us know kung ano yung magustuhan mo, just get back with us. So in real time, pwede din makita ni Sir Jonro kaninong listing yon. So we'll show you an actual demo later on so that Jonro can contact the listing broker and to validate if said property is still available. Kasi lahat tayo always put disclaimer the end of our ads na prices and availability of the property always change anytime, no? Kasi kahit ka-upload pa lang natin 1 week ago, pwedeng maibenta ka agad yan the next day. Now, leverage benefit of exposure. Sabi ko nga, si broker Ronnie, very busy. Nag-manage siya ng mga ahente, nag-opisina pa siya, nag-deal pa siya sa mga relationship niya sa mga developer and buyer. So, yung time niya for listing exposure is very limited. Kailangan pa niya mag-aral ng mga bagong AI things and Andromeda things and etc. 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 Sabi niya, ang gulusam, no? But here, as I mentioned to you, kahit 10% lang sa existing subscriber natin nag-advertise online kasama na listing natin. Kahit doon sa 100 of subscriber we have, nag-share lang ng tig-isang link towards the Facebook nila, that is already 100 broker promoting. Okay, one broker, ako, I share to my Meta. Lahat tayo, one thing, we share to our Facebook, the link. So that instant exposure of 100x. Kasi kasama ang listing ni Charlie doon. Kasama ang listing ni Jonro doon. So, in one action of 100, that equals 100 exposure. So, I hope nakuha natin, no? Project selling support. It's just like brokerage. So, dati-dati iniisip natin na I'll set up office in Palawan, I set up office in Dumaguete, I set up office in Makati, etc. in key city. But don't forget, when you set up an office, you will have an office expenses. You cannot set up an office na wala kang manpower. Meron kang office supervisor or GM or etc. what you call that one. That add up your fixed expenses. Nag-hire ka ng ahente. Entry level ng mga ahente ngayon, medyo 2.5 to 4%. So, I'm giving you a chance for project selling support since nandyan na yan. Halimbawa, we have group here from Metro Manila. Yung group natin ng Metro Manila, I challenge you to be accredited in mga kilala, proven and trusted developer. Upload nyo na sa system namin. Para every time we promote, kasama na ang mga project selling. So kami sa Cebu, let us say, sample, we group or Greenfield, don't tell us kami sa Cebu, I need to travel to show to Ortigas just to be accredited with Greenfield, magpa-PKS para I can get the full 5% commission, and para pag-uwi ni OFW, I'll meet up the OFW prospect buyers sa NAIA and bring it a day after in the showroom sa Greenfield, hoping forward and praying maksarado ang negosyo because ako swapang I want 5%. But why do all those time and effort and money if you can collaborate with the listing broker, kahit project pa yan, who are based in Metro Manila, who are based in Ortigas, who are based in Makati, in Pasay, in where kung saan malapit, kung sino nag-upload sa listing. In terms of book sale, that can be broker B. Pero ikaw, since you're the one bringing the buyer, introduce mo kay broker based in Ortigas, then you get the 50-50 sharing. So the point here, I'm giving you idea, kahit you are located in Dipolog or you're located in Bacolod, you can now market all projects inventory what is posted in our MLS platform. Because once it is posted, 1 or 2 or 3 of all our subscribers are accredited to that properties or to that project. So if it is, let's say, may nag-inquire kay Ronnie sa Rockwell in Metro Manila project. Since Rockwell had a local presence in Bacolod and then accreditation is nationwide, Ronnie have the option to serve and accredited the client 100%. Pero if that project is we group based only in Manila and walang local present in Bacolod, and Ronnie can contact broker Charlie which based in Metro Manila for collaboration and share 50-50. So this is how it works. Kumbaga, wala na yung effort, wala na yung franchising cost, wala na yung opening of office cost, wala na yung recruitment cost. The moment you subscribe, automatically you have 100 plus co-broker. And kung naintindihan nyo yun, every month, if it's one of us, tulong-tulong tayo, bringing more broker in our community, bringing all more, kahit one every month. Let's say we are around 150 now. Next month, kahit isa lang, we become 300 a month after. Next month, kahit isa lang, we become 600 a month after. What's the cost? It's not big. No, it's only 1,000 subscription a month. That's nothing for broker. But the effect, the domino effect of all collaboration we want, imagine we have, how many cities we have? Ang wish ko lang with this program that we created is, we can be represented in all key cities, in all key provinces, in all key region. I know Palawan brokers, ang dami nila, 100 plus. Kung ayaw nila, okay lang. Kahit 5 or 10 lang dyan. Kasi yung 5-10, tayo hundreds of us will be collaborating with those 5 or 10 brokers actively joining our MLS. Doon sa Cagayan, kahit hundreds of them, pero 3 lang ang actively joining with us and contributing their listing, project selling, brokerage, rental leasing. So, silang 3 na nagpagod, nag-effort, they will harvest all the blessings of referral from our broker outside Cagayan. So this is the system, how the system work. Hope you understand, no? You don't need to pay these people to do collaboration with you. You don't need to PR with these people because given na yan under our profession, it is 50-50. Buyer side, seller side. Lesser side, leasing side. Diba? It's given. At saka, we brokers, as long we are now licensed broker, we are broker forever. Lahat naman ng salesperson natin, sooner or later, they will graduate also as a broker. That's why we prepare this platform. we prepare this platform para may forever to all of us as our relationship in the real estate business. Rental leasing, nabanggit ko na yan. So not only brokerage, project selling, pati rental leasing. So I'm not expert in rental leasing. I'm too busy. I don't have the network of getting yung mga rental na house unlock or condo house unlock no na isa-isa wala. But I have 3 of my subscriber in Cebu na yun naman ang expertise nila. They have combined, they have around hundreds of residential for rent, condo and house unlock. Itong tatlong ito. So I've been courting them to sabi nga lang nila, sorry somehow and we're too busy. We're too busy, hindi namin ma-upload, wala kaming time mag-upload. Well, I'm just praying time will come na they will have time. Kasi instead they work hard on promoting yung listing nila in the soloist approach. Kumbaga, broker A, broker B, broker C, approved ngayon sa Meta, etc. But the moment they uploaded it here, instantly they will gain 100 plus co-broker to help market their rental and leasing. That's the leverage that we are offering. Digital presence. That's the another leverage we are offering to everybody. We digitize the real estate MLS. In real time, 24/7, you can do exchange with your fellow brokers. Junro can check listing outside his comfort zone 24/7, anytime, anywhere. As long meron siyang data, may Wi-Fi, maka-access siya sa MLS account niya. So today, what is important as broker, as a real estate business person, we must have an internet presence. Social media is not enough. What is your portfolio? Your personal website is not enough because the word personal website, that is your personal listing only. And why spending hosting, technical support, IT, programmer, and only benefit on your personal effort? Or in an exchange of 1,000 a month, you will benefit not only on your personal effort, you will benefit also with the other hundreds of effort of other broker posting brokerage, rental leasing, project selling, and so on so forth. Tsaka 1,000 is cheaper than setting up your own website that costs you 50 to 100,000 to structure that one. And that is a solo website. That's not an MLS website. And then you still pay hosting. And the average hosting now is, with our everything, is around 1,000 to 2,000. Hindi pa kasama dyan yung IT mo na nagmi-maintain sa program mo, which costs you a retainer of as low as 15,000 plus minus. Yung advance nasa 30 plus pa yan. Kung iilan kayo, no? So, hope you see this point. So, the future broker is not only a salesperson nowadays. The future broker become a connector. We connect each other. We promote other broker to join to connect us. We promote other broker to build network. So the broker now, other than connector, you're also a network builder. And last thing, I challenge you, consider it in your heart to become a digital operator because it will give you tools. Yung mga ayaw mag-adapt sa changes, sooner or later maiiwan kayo. Hindi naman masero yung sales. Maiiwan lang kayo sa mga kahit yung bagito, bago pa, kapapasar, pero they are adapting digital. Kung titignan natin, di ba, na nalampasan tayo sa aggressiveness ng mga young ones, especially very picky. Kaya dapat maghabol tayo. We don't need to compete with them, but at least if we want to compete, market pie, no, na mapunta man sa atin, dapat we need to be visible in the internet. Kasi pag hindi tayo visible, anong mangyari? Buyer cannot see us. pag hindi ka nakita ng buyer, wala kang negosyo. Okay? So that ends my presentation and I'll present a more demo now. So just a reminder, quick reminder for next Tuesday. Next Tuesday is we will talk about how to build real estate asset. So negosyo muna tayo next week, no? So ito yung BEAR method masterclass. So BEAR stands for buy one property, renovate your property, rent it out, then refinance to the bank, and then repeat the process. So to this year, genre buy one property, renovate, rent, refinance. 3 to 4 years, buy another property. So naging dalawa na. 3 to 4 years, buy yung dalawa, makabili ng tig-isa. So 4 na. 3 to 4 years, yung 4, bibili yung tig-isa, 8 na. So how to do those things? Kasi may mga strategic approach yung pag-buy, pag-renovate, pag-rent, pag-refinance, repeat. So ito yung pag-uusapan natin next Tuesday. So this would be a lively discussion and then Q&A. So this early bird is $499 up to May 23. For after May 23 is the regular rate $999. So please help me invite other fellow broker, businessman, entrepreneur, salespeople who wants to do yung mga investors, no? So again, broker tayo, salespeople tayo, but takot tayo mag-invest kasi we're always thinking of we need to have millions before we buy property. But if you understand the game plan, the strategy, the blueprint, it's simply to execute it na lang, no? So that's what we're gonna share it next time. Okay, so allow me to share the website para... So, okay pa ba? So please type 5. So if you have questions later, please kindly type your question, baka makalimutan natin, no? So allow me to share the screen this time. Okay, baba ko muna itong... Okay, so on your screen, this is an example of our MLS platform. So you can have like kang Eva, sample to, sa kanya naman to. So lahat ng subscriber, you will have your own website. Either you buy your own domain name or you opted not to invest on GoDaddy, you just do a subdomain name and it's for free. Yung subdomain name, walang monthly yung subdomain, only the hosting, no? Na 1,000. So para itong negosyo na nag-isip ka ng negosyo, bayad ka ng SEC name or DTI name. So that is GoDaddy. Nagbayad ka ng license mo sa LGU. That is SSL license. And then, pagawa mo sa amin, yung rental office mo, set up namin, yung design, so that is one-time setup fee na 5,000. And pagkatapos, running na yung negosyo, pwede ka na mag-operate, 1,000 rental per month or subscription, we call that one, no? Subscription per month. So, ang point lang natin dito is, the moment you join, allow me to check this one, ha? Nag-login ako. So what's the difference pag login pre-registered? I cannot log in kasi I don't know. This is EVA account. So on my account, nag-login ako, lalabas itong dashboard. So the difference, malaman mo, yung itong dashboard lalabas. Versus sa kang EVA, walang dashboard. Meaning, this is buyer's perspective. I'm browsing the website of Eva as a buyer, as a third party. Hindi ako nakapasok inside. But I open my website, I log in already, lumabas yung dashboard. So, I'm browsing inside the system. So, inside the system, or outside the system or inside the system, allow me to show first sa baba. Homepage muna tayo. If you go to the broker's member, makikita mo din yung mga sino yung mga kasamahang broker subscriber na, no? Nandyan, lalabas yung mga profile nila. Or you go here sa members, you click the members. Ayan. Lalabas na rin yung mga subscriber natin. So these are all licensed broker. Yung iba hindi pa nag-upload ng personal photo nila, no? So here, Gerard is from, I think Gerard Masadaw is from Baguio, or check natin Baguio by si Gerald. Okay. Lisel Nathaniel Pinida. Ito si Teresa. Let's check ha, mga profile nila. So, Ray is from saan ba location? Hindi niya nilagay yung location niya from Kaizen Prime Realty. So, but at least nandyan yung mga contact number. By the way, pag subscriber kayo, don't limit naman, sulat nyo naman, habaan nyo naman yung pagsulat nyo about where you are para makita ng mga ano. Ito naman si Teresa, ito, mahaba sulat niya. Para itong profile mo, no, pwede mo isulat dito yung profile mo about real estate business mo. If you are a broker, appraiser, consultant, what's your specialization, or baka may hardware business ka, may sand and gravel ka, or baka lawyer ka din, sulat mo para when, let us say, I go to Ormoc, I want to network. Broker based in Ormoc. So na lumabas si Teresa Olivar because Teresa is from Ormoc, no? So malaman ko, I will deal with this lady, no? Kasi 2-in-1 na ang service na maisulong niya sa akin. Broker, the same time, lawyering. Check natin itong, sino ba yung kanina pa? Okay, Maridao. Oh, Bohol to. Oh no, Baguio. Si Maridao. Okay? So, si Glory C. I think Glory C, Baguio din ito. From Pasay Makati na rin ngayon. Ayan, ang haba. Yan, oh. So, you can, no? You can put anything about yourself. Ito si Shim naman ay from Cagayan. Yan si Shim. Oh, Cagayan naman to. So, if you try to see, we have Baguio, we have Metro Manila, we have Negros, this other part Visayas, we have Mindanao. So parami-parami na rin tayo. So, meaning, we can now collaborate with all these broker. So, let's say you want to be more specific. Let's say, nagpili ka ng isang warehouse, si John Rong, kailangan niya warehouse. Sabihin natin warehouse. Balik tayo kanina. Warehouse. Search mo warehouse. So, lalabas ng album, lahat ng album na may keyword warehouse, either in the title or in the body. So, tulad nito, no, mga posting warehouse. Lumabas no, lot areas ito, Aluman, Kanduman. Okay. Click natin ilan dito. Davao. So, like this one. Okay. By the way, ang naklik ko pala kay Eva. So, lahat Eva. Doon ako mag-click sa akin, ha. Delete ko muna, ha. So, balik muna ako sa directory, ha. Let us say you want to search directory broker in Cagayan. And then, by location, search. Oh, so we have one subscriber from Cagayan. So let us say Makati location. Oh, we have three broke. Oh, pareho lang ito si Vinia. So dalawa. So ganun, you can search by location or by first name or by other. So let's go back to home. So ngayon, ang kagandahan, let's say, balik tayo, si Jonro is naghanap siya ngayon ng sabihin natin, kasi I'm not so sure kung anong mga listing na ngayon sa iba, no? So hindi ko lang munang by city, by keyword na lang muna tayo dito. Balik tayo warehouse kanina, sample. Hmm. So, open link tayo. So we open three warehouse. So the moment Junro open a warehouse, makikita niya kaagad below the property ID kung kaninong listing. Okay? So itong nabuksan ko, listing ko kasi pangalan ko pala nakalagay. Hanap pa ako ng hindi pangalan ko. Akin puro lang to ah. Naga. O ito, Marivildo. Kita nyo? So, the reason pumasok ako sa, nag-login ako so that I can access, every time I check property, I can access kaninong listing. So when I click this Maribeldo, lalabas yung information ng broker. So I can contact now Maribeldo. By the way, Maribeldo, I saw your warehouse, lot for warehouse in Naga and I have that requirements. Available pa ba? Can I co-broker with you, no? So I'll endorse you my buyer. So pagdating naman sa endorsement, another topic yan, yung co-broker agreement, no? So let's go back to, let us say, yung mga project tayo. Who can memorize SMDC? We cannot memorize SMDC or Ayala Land Estate, bagong PKS natin. So you type keyword Ayala Land Estate and enter. So lalabas ang lahat ng album or project. By the way, may nagsusulat dito ngayon. Okay, please stop writing. Lalabas. So we don't need to memorize kasi in-upload na ng developer or in-upload na ng fellow broker mo yung project. Let's say, Bulacan, Ayala Land Estate. So Alvera, Pampanga, Ayala Land Estate. Ito, Arcas South, Ayala Land Estate. So the moment you open that one, nandyan na yung description, yung information. Project, developer, location, description, amenities, lot sizes, kung ano yung payment terms. And then, you can double click the photo para madaling i-present. Malaki na. Diba? So, it's easy for you now to share it to your client. Let's say, itong Alvira. Double check na, diba? So, palakihin mo nandyan. Let's say, now, I give you another example. Allow me to stop share muna ha para mawala itong yellow, then I'll come back. Kasi may nagsusulat. Stop share. Then share again. Okay, good. So, now, I'll give you sample ha. Okay. Let's say I don't know how to promote. Very simple. Let's say, promote mo itong Alvera, Pampanga. Tsaka Alvera, Bulacan. In social media. So, you copy-paste the URL. Open your website. Click. Open your Facebook. Click. Copy-paste. Enter. So, lagyan mo ng konting write-ups. Alvera ba yun? O Bulacan? Sorry ha. Ayalalan, Bulacan. Oh, tama, Bulacan. Oh. Enter natin. Pause na natin ha para mas makita natin. For demo purpose. So, pwede ko din i-email sa kliyente ko. Sample tayo ha. So, isipin na lang natin, naglagay ka ng sulat, no? Then compose ka ng sulat, then advise mo siya ipa-click yung click here. Oh. For demo lang to para mabilis. Then copy paste mo na lang. Then send ko na lang sa sarili ko para makbuksan natin ha. Send. Hintayin natin 'yan. So balikan natin yung website Facebook. Okay. 'Di ba? Lumabas na yung post natin kanina? So ito yung point ko. Instead na you spend time posting something in your Facebook and then you're gonna spend 5,000 to boost that one para maghanap ng kliyente. Pero kung ganito lang yan katulad ng iba na very physical, pag-click mo, ito lang, walang ibang property dito ah. Ito lang, property lang, click property lang, binabasa niya. Yan, parang ganyan, photo lang, di ba? Pag ayaw na niyan itong sasakyan or bahay na to, wala na. Pero balikan natin yung style natin. Sabi ko nga, website mo, doon ka kukuha ng property na i-promote mo sa Facebook, sa Twitter, LinkedIn, messenger mo sa kliyente mo, i-email mo sa kliyente mo, para pag-click nila, hindi sila magbabasa sa LinkedIn, hindi sila magbabasa sa Messenger, hindi sila magbabasa sa email or sa Facebook. Doon sila magbabasa sa website mo. Because the game plan here is just like octopus, you trap the prey, you trap the client, bring it in the middle. Para pag napasok na siya sa website ni Eva, kulong na. The moment the buyer, the browser, browsing on your website, kulong na. Kasi kahit mamili siya ng iba-ibang property doon, ikaw lang ang profile broker. I'll show you ha. So, once the buyer click this one or the viewer kasi nag-boss ka nito, pag-click, ayan, it pop up your website. Ayan. So, kahit mamili siya ng ibang property, ayan, nandyan profile ko. Kahit mamili siya ng ibang recommended property sa baba, ayan, ako pa rin ang profile broker. Pili naman siya ng iba dyan kasi may recommended. Ako pa rin ang profile broker. So that's how it works. So capturing, maximizing yung effort at saka budget mo. So let's go back to yung nasa email naman. Ayan, nag-email ako sa kliyente ko, di ba? So after konting chat-chat dyan, in-advise ko siya for more info po to click this link. Pag-click niya, ayan, it pop up my website. So ngayon, question. Sam, what if wala pa ako masyadong listing? Kakapasa ko lang as a broker. But the moment I subscribe, sabi mo nga, downloaded lahat yung mga inventory ng other broker subscriber to my website na XYG Realty. Yes, totoo. Can I start promoting that listing in my meta, in my Yes, because that is MLS, that is co-brokering. Bakit magalit ba si Dennis, magalit ba si Charlie, magalit ba si John Ro kung you spend money in promoting the warehouse ni John Ro? You're soliciting buyer. And then pag may buyer ka, tatawagan mo si John Ro, the listing broker. At then nagsishare kay 50-50. So that's brokering. That's co-brokering. That's networking. That's collaboration. So kahit 5 lang ang personal listing mo, kahit wala kang project selling listing, kahit wala kang zero rental leasing listing, your only listing is yung for sale na property mo na sinabdivide mo, 5 lots. Yun lang, forget everything. The moment you subscribe, you upload yung 5 listing mo, it will automatically share to all 150 subscriber website. and vice versa, lahat ng mga inventory ng 150 subscriber downloaded to your personal website. So, si Charlie.com now, hanap siya, I don't know how to close warehouse, pero malaking kitaan sa warehouse kasi malaking lupa. I'll just promoting, hanap ako ng mga warehouse listing, promote ako ng promote. Ito si Sir John Ro, galing ito mag-close ng warehouse. Kung ang tagahanap buyer, bigay ko kay John Ro. Kasi listing naman ni John Ro. Nako, si Glory C, sanay ito mag-close sa Makati. Tingnan ko ang mga listing ni Glory C. Itong mga Makati commercial niya, promote ko ng promote. Itong mga listing ni Morita, promote ko ng promote. Itong mga listing sa Baguio, promote ko ng promote. Kahit nasa Cebu ako. So I'm soliciting, positioning myself on buyer side. The moment I get the leads, I qualify the leads. If seryoso, baka ahente, tanong lang ng tanong, hindi naman buyer. Once serious, I now make endorsement. Tawagan ko ngayon yung broker, halimbawa, broker Tolentino, Sir T, I have inquiry of your commercial property in Manila. So, available pa ba? So, yes, available. So, gawa ako ng formal email endorsement, no? So, para sa collaboration namin. So, ang point ko lang dito, project. May nagtanong project sa Ayala. I'm not accredited with Ayala. Hanapin ko lang sinong nag-post sa Project Ayala. Ayan, tawagan ko. Bigay ko sa kanya. So parang co-brokering. Sa kanya yung accreditation, sa kanya yung business account, closing doon. Basta owner lang niya yung 50-50 sharing namin. So less effort ako. So if you try to imagine here, as a broker, kahit naka-home base ka lang, with your 1,000 a month, which a promo rate namin ngayon, you can leverage more than 10x. Honestly, more than 10x. Isang taon mo 12,000, isang benta bawi ka na. And of course, real estate is not 12,000 alone, kitaan natin dito, no? Ang habol lang natin dito, as my legacy is, ay mapalawak ang community ng MLS. Kumbaga, mas marami ang maggamit. Sorry. Okay, so if you want to know more, so nandyan na yung mga listing, rental, sales, assume, property, residential, everything. So if you want to know more, interested ka to browse more, I'm trying to limit the time also for Q&A. So I have here my staff, Faye. You're interested, just collaborate with us. You can message us or Faye so we can set a one-on-one orientation, walkthrough. And then we can create your account for 1 month free. After that, you start paying your subscription 1,000. But again, calling all existing subscriber. It's not too late. Let's use your website. Sabi nga natin, sa mahirapan, di ako marunong. Just like when you buy new cellphone. When you buy new iPhone, you buy too expensive iPhone, pinag-aralan mo yung ibang features. Kasi pag hindi mo ginagamit, you will never learn the whole features. But ito, 1,000 lang, hindi mo gamit kasi baliwala lang yung 1,000. But it's more than 1,000 what you lost sa hindi paggamit sa system. Kasi the system can give you 100,000, 1 million potential income. So your 1,000 can give you 100,000 commission sharing or 1 million commission sharing or 10 million commission sharing. So wag natin hayaan mawala yung potential income mo. Hayaan na lang natin mawala yung 1,000. But wag lang yung potential co-broker commission mo through our MLS. Okay? So again, thank you for joining our MLS. So if you have questions,